what you can see here for this week market outlook, okay, especially coming in from the altcoins. Smaller coins are actually gaining momentum, gaining attraction. And of course, you can see in terms of development, okay, who is really working behind the scene. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of altcoins that are actually performing. Not only that, but actually putting in the work. Okay, because we see there are a lot of altcoins. It's all about talking, it's all about creating hype, but they are not actually working behind the scene. So we can see here, tokens like Cardano, right, is one of the coin that actually walking the top, right? They're actually one of the main leader in terms of crypto development activity. Okay, so not only that, but they outperform Polkadot, okay, and of course Ethereum. So as you know that Polkadot is actually a cross-chain interoperability, okay, and of course talking about Ethereum is one of the main mother chain for all the altcoins, right? So of course there's a saying here: don't hear what they say, watch what they do. So many times also I'm mentioning to you guys, if you're going to buy altcoins, make sure you study the token, the development, and of course the developer itself. Are they actually working on the token? Are they providing value to the community members? Okay, so here you can see this is data record by sentiment. Okay, if you go to sentiment here, you can see the number one leading activity is holding by Cardano itself. They're actually the main leader in terms of development. Okay, following by Polkadot, Kusama. Okay, we have other big companies as well, right? Like Hedera Hashgraph, we have Chainlink. Okay, so Chainlink is focusing more on the decentralized database, Oracle. Okay, right now you can see they are now moving into CCIP, okay, cross-chain interoperability protocol. Okay, so currently they are ranked number 7. So this is what you want to see in terms of buying and holding the token itself. Very, very important. Okay, so right, you can see here, these are the leading developers, okay, leading companies that are actually building. They are actually engaging with their community members to able to grow and expand, and of course to able to scale. So this is the key area where you can able to identify all these major altcoins. Okay, so if you ask yourself, how do I actually find the best altcoin? How to know whether it's reliable? This is the thing that you need to rely on. Data. Okay, community, are they active or not? Are they building? Okay, are they contributing to the ecosystem? What is your 5-year goal plan? What is your roadmap? All these take into account in order to achieve the best altcoin or the quality altcoin that you want to hold in this bull run. Okay, so this is the market outlook, okay, in terms of development, active development. Okay, so that's why Cardano is definitely a no-brainer for me to have it into my altcoin bag. Okay, although many have criticized Cardano, it's a sleeping giant. Okay, Cardano is boring, Cardano is dead. Okay, and there's no utility, or probably they talk, but they never perform. But what you can see here right now, the development activity have shown Cardano is actually outperforming. Okay, compared to Solana, you can see they're not even in the top 10. Okay, even though there are a lot of people hyping about Solana. Okay, especially right now, Solana went to about $42. Okay, end of the day, it's all about hype. When you have hype, when you have community that is driving, definitely the coin will go up. Okay, so Solana is focusing more on speed transactions, okay, in a millisecond. But what happened is that they having a lot of outage and failure, not once, but I think more than three to five times. Okay, so you can see why is Solana not in here. Then that is a question that you need to ask yourself. Okay, so later on we will focus more on Solana itself. So this is the thing here. Moving on next. So next thing here I want to highlight is the artificial intelligence. So right now we are actually heading for this event, AI event. Okay, especially for OpenAI. Okay, we have ChatGPT. Okay, I think Elon Musk also is in it. Okay, I think he generated a new AI platform that is competing ChatGPT. Okay, so why is it important for crypto as well? Because you have to understand crypto, they have a lot of crypto AI coins that most likely will be driven by this event. Okay, so you can see that OpenAI recently held its first developer conference, revealing a suite of advancements and initiatives highlighting its ongoing commitment to innovate and user empowerment. So if you use ChatGPT, you can see how powerful it is, the software, okay, and it's free to use, okay. So this is the latest launching, right? OpenAI introduced GPT-4 Turbo, okay, an enhanced version of the popular GPT-4. So if you are using the free version currently right now, it's about 3.5. Okay, the paid version is 3.48. The latest paid version is GPT-4 at the moment. Okay, you have to pay about $20 per month. Okay, so this new iteration is available in two variants: a text model, okay, text only model, and a model capable of understanding text and images. Okay, so these are the events that actually drives the crypto price up, and of course, this narrative also would benefit crypto AI, right? Especially we have a lot of tokens like Ocean Protocol, okay, Fetch.ai, Agix, okay, Graph, GRT. All these coins most likely will definitely benefit in terms of pump. Okay, so whenever the news ends or whenever the conference ends, usually there is a massive sell-off. So just to take note that this is the overall market outlook for the AI sector. Okay, so as long as the AI event is still ongoing, I think there will be massive bullish momentum that we are seeing right now. Okay, there are a lot of ongoing development coming in from the OpenAI and of course other competitors as well. That will be in. All right. So do take advantage of crypto AI as well. So crypto AI, there are a lot of field that you can able to explore. Okay. So this is the second article here. Now moving on next, you can see here. So for altcoins, if you are holding altcoins, okay, so currently what you are seeing right now, there is a huge market share, okay, coming in for altcoins against Bitcoin. Okay, why is it there is a significant gain, significant huge volume coming in from the altcoin market? What is the trigger behind? Okay, so there are a lot of news that is ongoing, especially for the smaller coins. All right, so here you can see, right, especially for Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. Why is it rallying? So number one here, you are looking at the SEC lawsuit. SEC lawsuit here, what is really happening is that SEC is actually losing better ground against Ripple. Okay, because they have mentioning Ripple that Ripple is a security. So they've been doing lawsuits back and forth till now. They actually came out at a loss. And of course, finally, SEC declared declared that they admit that they lost, and therefore Ethereum, XRP, and the rest of the altcoin, if not mistaken, is not a security. So that is the reason why you can see XRP right now is rallying. Okay, that's why you can see here. The SEC's decision to approve the launch of the Ethereum futures product led to more interest in the project, directly supporting Ethereum price. So this is another factor here. The futures ETF have already approved. And of course, what you're seeing right now is the spot ETF for Ethereum that is coming along. Once the spot ETF for Bitcoin approved, most likely the Ethereum spot ETF also will approve. That is also another bullish sentiment coming in from Ethereum alone. Okay, and then if you look on for Solana, okay, Solana also is another hype. Okay, what they are seeing right now, Solana just ended its event, a Solana event. Okay, and then what happened is that there is a slight drop. Okay, and then now it continues back again, right, at $43, the last time I see. So Solana has been edging higher, even reversing post-FTX losses, despite action by FTX and state managers. So not to forget, FTX, the company itself, also hold a massive token of Solana, okay? And I believe this company, FTX, they're actually dumping the tokens, not all, but I think in a linear way. Okay, maybe every quarter they have been dumping. When the price go up, I think they dump, but that doesn't affect the whole ecosystem of Solana itself. So that could be one more scenario, okay, and it could be many factors also that is driving the Solana price to actually go up as well. So of course, you can see there are a lot of on-chain activity that is also ongoing, right? We're not talking about the main mother chain itself, but the sub-layer or the layer 2s down below Solana, okay? They are also introducing NFTs. Okay, NFTs are being onboarded in Solana. We have pay to earn gaming sector also under Solana. So that is one way that actually drive the price of Solana to continue to rally again. Okay, and then here the regulatory clarity on XRP has seen Ripple double down. This is the reason why market goes up. When market have clarity, and then that's where you're going to get the bullish momentum coming in from the token itself. Okay, because the Ripple case, Ripple have already won against the SEC. That is what we want, so that it can able to have a clear direction on where this crypto market is going. Okay, so hope you guys understand. Now moving on next. Okay, you can see here, this is the crypto weekly outlook. Okay, crypto watch list, I would say. So here, very important tokens or companies that are actually having an event. So if you know Arbitrum, so Arbitrum is actually a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum alone. Okay, Okay, so what you're having right now, you're having this eco incentive to go live next week. Okay, and this is a staking program. So you have ARB, Arbitrum token, that you're actually holding in your wallet or in the exchange. Okay, I think most likely next week you can able to use your ARB to be able to stake and to earn rewards like a fixed deposit. Okay, so this is happening next week itself. So this could be very, very bullish for Arbitrum. Okay, and most likely I would say that Arbitrum, there could be a high chance for another rally before we see this live goes on. Okay, once the live goes, then most likely there could be a pullback or a sell-off event. Okay, and then what else? AI coins, OpenAI conference. Okay, right? So yeah, it's already started actually. This is posted on the 6th of November itself, 2 days back. Okay, and then we have Aptos. Okay, so this is also by ApeCoin, right? Aptos under the Solana network as well will be unlocked on 12th of November. Okay, so this will be the token unlock. So maybe there could be a pullback or massive sell-off. Let's see. Okay, and then of course XRP, the SEC and Ripple must process a briefing schedule on related charges by their case by 9th of November. Okay, so I think this is already done deal. Ripple most likely won the case. Okay, so all in all, you can see the market is quite bullish, quite optimistic. Okay, this is what to expect in the coming weeks. Okay, now moving on next, we can see here what's happening. So for those of you who don't know what is the Bitcoin dominance all about, so this one way you can able to save it. Okay, you can able to save this, or you can able to screenshot. Okay, why is it so important? Bitcoin dominance is to actually measure the strength of Bitcoin. Okay, so if the Bitcoin dominance goes up, example like this, Bitcoin dominance goes up and the Bitcoin price goes up together, what happens you're noticing is that the smaller coins will actually take a hit. Okay, the smaller coins like Ethereum and the smaller coins will go down. But what happens when Bitcoin dominance go up, but Bitcoin price go down? So the altcoins also will go down, because end of the day, it's all depending on the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin dominance is to measure the Bitcoin price, and Bitcoin dominance to measure the Bitcoin strength. Okay, so all eyes on BTC, whether or not Bitcoin will strengthen or weaken. So if you want to have a good altcoin, if you want your altcoin backs to pump or to maintain, okay, that's where you're going to rely for the dominance plus the BTC price. Okay, in one way, in a way that if as long as the Bitcoin dominance is down and the Bitcoin price is up, that's where you're going to get altcoin season, definitely. Okay, when the Bitcoin dominance is down, Bitcoin price stable, sideways. Okay, as long as Bitcoin price can maintain around 35,000, like what we are seeing right now, especially last week as well, altcoin will go up. Okay, so this is very, very simple. Okay, to actually be able to identify, right, how your smaller coins can able to pump. So you need to rely on this indicator. Bitcoin dominance down, Bitcoin goes sideways. Okay, your altcoin back will go up. Okay, and then here Bitcoin dominance go down, Bitcoin price go up, out season. Okay, as long as the dominance here maintain sideways, Bitcoin price sideways, altcoins also will be sideways, stable. Okay, so yeah, these are the factors here to watch. All right, now moving on next. Okay, you can see here, right? So this is the altcoins. So I believe you guys have already joined. Okay, or you guys have already hold a huge bag since last year. Okay, and still holding. But I believe this year is one of the best year to actually buy and keep it. Okay, so you can see here, these are the indicators. Okay, so during this year itself, the green year. Okay, these are the green year, right? We have 2011, 2019. Okay, I think most likely 2023 itself. Okay, altcoin barely did a thing, which is why it's the best time to accumulate. Altcoins go sideways. Altcoin is quite boring during this time when you're at the green. Okay, all right. So if you look here, look how terrible the performance was for altcoins in the last white cycle, green year, 2015. So where is 2015 here? 2015 is here, the white cycle here. Right? 2015, boring sideways, trend is breaking towards the downside. What happened on the next following year? Altcoins break up. So this coming cycle, which is the 2024 halving, will be quite similar compared to the 2015 cycle. So we are going to expect something similar to 2015. Okay, altcoins absolutely explode in 2016. This is the blue year. So we are already around here right now, the green year. We're heading to the blue year now. So how are you guys going to prepare? What is your strategy? Okay, many think that altcoins cannot do well until Bitcoin all-time high, okay, which is the red year, right? But they are due to gain a lot of strength even before that. So many will be caught surprised, especially those newbies, those people who think that they know very well or think that they are very smart, okay, thinking that after halving only I will come in. After halving or after end of 2024, I'll probably come in. And that's where the market will prove you wrong again. And that's why we have to prepare on both scenarios. That's why you want to prepare early. That's why you want to go in dollar cost averaging, because we do not know how the market structure will work. Okay. So what happened now, you can see the altcoins are actually rallying. And some of you guys are still sitting on the sideline, not doing anything. Okay. So again here, to highlight or to stress this, we have another 21 days left until white cycle blue year arrives. Okay. White cycle blue years arrive, which is here, the 2024 here. 10th of January is the ARK ETF approval. So are you going to come in after 10 when the price of Bitcoin continues to rally? Or you want to get in before 10th of January? That's a question that you need to ask yourself. Okay, if you're still sitting on the sideline and you're still not holding any coins or you're not doing any dollar cost averaging, then it's time to worry, because we have already one month left to actually accumulate. December will be the final month to actually accumulate. Okay, so good things coming for Bitcoin and altcoins, definitely. Okay, so it's best if you can hold Bitcoin and altcoin together, okay, to actually to balance your portfolio. That is the whole idea of coming in early. The whole idea for this year is to accumulate, right? 2023 is for you to accumulate. Next year, after halving, that's where we want to look for to harvest, okay, to actually realize our capital and our gains as well. Okay, so that's how the game is played. Okay, moving on next. Okay, we have this crypto event that is coming in. Okay, we have Near Protocol. Okay, so Near Protocol is actually having an event. Okay, I think it's happening now, right? Since yesterday till the 10th of November. Okay, so if you are into crypto, if you're taking crypto seriously, or if you want to be a developer, okay, you want to learn more about the crypto industry, I think this is the best time to actually learn, to actually go for all these events, to network, and to actually leverage with people, okay, who are in the crypto industry, right? That's where you can be able to expand your contact. That is why I need to go, like every year, going to token 2049 to learn, okay, to get hands-off information, insider information on what's really happening with the token itself. Okay, what is the new thing, the latest trend on crypto? Okay, so this is the thing that you really need to pay attention. Okay, so yeah, this is near protocol conference. Okay, so I think they're going to talk more on their token itself, and of course their 5-year plan, and of course their roadmap. Very, very important. Okay, so Near Protocol is also our accumulation list in our accumulation bag, and of course it's still cheap to actually get in. Now, moving on next to the crypto education side. So crypto education. Okay, so for today, I'm going to stress on more on the Solana side. So of course, you can see there are a lot of hype coming in from Solana. So Solana, okay, if you are actually buying and holding Solana, and if you are storing it into the exchange, I think this is the best time to actually do self-custody. Okay, so there are a lot of Solana wallets out there that you can able to use. Okay, so these are the best Solana wallet, right, for this year. Okay, like Met Wallet, Atomic, Phantom, Exodus, and Soulflare. But one wallet that I really keen to use is definitely Phantom Wallet. So Phantom Wallet is actually a user-friendly wallet. It actually, once you go to any site or any decentralized exchange or any swap or DEX, you can able to use Phantom, right? Phantom is accepted everywhere. Every Solana ecosystem is accepting Phantom. So now we move here, we do a quick tutorial, a quick demo. So if you want to follow, you can follow, right? But if you miss the demo, then I can able to include the tutorial video after I completed this video, right? I can be able to share the tutorial video done. Now, going on next, you can see you go to phantom.app, okay? Okay, you can go here, then you click download. Okay, you can click download, right? So for example, here I'm using Brave browser, so I click Brave. Okay. Okay, what happened? You are saying this, then you click add to Brave. So Brave and Chrome is similar. Okay, so you just click add extension. Okay, so this is how you get your wallet done and ready. So this is the best time to actually self-custody your Solana. Okay, don't store it in the exchange. Okay, so once done here, it will pop up, right? It will pop up this icon. Okay, so it's already done. Okay, so if you are new, right, you can able to create a new wallet. Okay, so password, you just put your password. You can just create a password. Okay, just click agree. And continue. Okay, so this is a recovery seed phrase. This is very, very, very important. Okay, so I'm doing this just for tutorial only. Okay, so right, so you need to make sure that you can able to jot down all this. Okay, jot down all this, because later on you will need to write back. Okay, you need to write it down back, or you need to store it somewhere. Okay, so I've saved my recovery seed phrase. Make sure you write down or you snapshot. Okay, so then continue. Okay, you're all done. Get started. Okay, so there you go. You're going to have your Phantom wallet is done, right? And it's here. Okay, so let me show here. Right, can you able to see my wallet? Can you type one? Right, I just open the wallet. Okay, so you can see my wallet. Okay, so you can see my wallet here. Okay, so this is your Phantom wallet. Is built in by Solana. It's a Solana wallet actually. Okay, so you can able to receive your Solana. Right, you can deposit. Okay, you can click Solana, and then you just copy the address. Copy the address in here, and then you go to your Binance or exchange, and then you paste it there. Okay, so that's how it works. And then you will store your Solana here. All right. Right, so there are other coins as well you can be able to store. Ethereum, but I think this is built on the Solana network, right? Ethereum on Solana. Okay, all right. So this is wallet, which is quite similar to Trust Wallet as well, MetaMask, but this is only built in for Solana. Okay, so you're going to connect to your DEX, okay, or decentralized exchange Solana network, which is like Radium. Then you can connect and you can do your swap. Okay, so I think this is a very good feature for you guys who are into Solana, who are a Solana fan. You can able to download this wallet and you can start using. Okay, it's a free wallet. You can store it. You can store all sorts of coins accepted here. Okay, so this is just one of the wallet, right? Some of the Trust wallet, same. Yeah, it's quite similar, but this is just focusing more on the Solana side. Okay, Solana side. All right, so yeah, this is the Phantom wallet. Okay, Phantom wallet is for you to connect with other Solana network. That is the main idea here. All right. Okay, so yeah, that's done. You can able to do it on your mobile as well. Okay, they do have mobile. Okay, this is for desktop. Okay, you can able to go for mobile also. Okay, once you're done, all you need is the recovery seed phrase, that's all. Okay, you can able to store your NFTs. Okay, you can able to, yeah, you can able to connect anywhere as long as you have the extension. Okay, or you can download the app as well on your iPhone or your Android. Okay, moving on next to the crypto market outlook. Crypto market cap, what we are seeing here right now, we are at 1.34 trillion. Okay, so before that, if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to put in the chat box and later I will discuss end of this session. So yeah, moving on to the crypto market cap, what we are seeing now, BTC is up about 35.3, almost 35.4 so far. Very, very good, very, very healthy. We are still, Bitcoin is still maintaining very well and is still creating a sideways movement, which is also very good for altcoins. That is what we want to see. Okay, as long as Bitcoin can go sideways, as long as Bitcoin can maintain, as long as Bitcoin do not dip badly or go to 30K or 31, which most likely might happen, then altcoins will have a chance to rally. What we are seeing right now on Ethereum, you can see currently 1.888, still holding very steady. Okay, then we are seeing any gainers for today. We have Sui Network up about 14.96%. 7 days ago, 36%. Toncoin, 23%. Gala Games, right? This project is like so considered dead, right? Coming back to life, all right? Almost 20%. Polygon Matic, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, right? Up about 21.72. Chainlink, look at that. 27% last 7 days. These are the altcoins that's going to rally. This is what you're seeing right now. When Bitcoin goes sideways, this is the results they are holding the bags right now. Altcoins will deliver when Bitcoin goes sideways, when the dominance go down, when the dominance goes sideways as well. Rechain 17.47. Flow Network GMX, look at that, 9.7% last 7 days. Uniswap, a DEX for Ethereum, 26%. Okay, any losers for today? I highly doubt any losers. We have Trust Wallet token. This is a Trust Wallet app. Okay, down about 13.6. We have Graph. It's an AI token as well, down about 4.48. Okay, Pancake Swap, a DEX for Binance. Okay, a DEX for Binance. Okay, so what we can see, a lot actually Reddit, look at Pancake 76%. Look at Near Protocol. So Near Protocol having the event, that's why there could be a sell-off for today itself. Within the event, there could be a sell-off. So take time to look for buying opportunities. Right, we have RVIF, we have many others as well. What we are seeing right now in the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we are seeing right now we are at the grid. So how to play right now? Right, many are asking me, can I go in? Is this a time to enter? What coin should I buy? That's the problem with most people. When the market is sideways, when it's boring, when it's time for you to accumulate, you do not want to go in. But you want to go in when the market is up. You want to go in when there's hype, then it's a problem. So for those of you guys who don't know what is this indicator, Fear and Greed Index. Okay, so right now we are at the grid. Okay, what we are seeing here, when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for correction. So if you are buying now, there could be a high possibility where the market might do a pullback or a correction. Then you want to buy, make sure when there is a fear or extreme fear, there can be a sign that investors are too worried. There could be a buying opportunity. That is what you want. Now, right now, you're going in at the top, at the peak or at the fear now. Okay, so you might want to buy based on the pullback. So that's why we are moving into the technical side. Technical side, what you can see here, okay, on the total tree. So total tree is the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is only for altcoins. So what you can see here on the total tree market cap, the price, the technical side, right? You can see it's already bottoming out from here. Okay, the price, on the money time frame is breaking above the middle band. So the next level we might see is this level to be playing out at this resistance here at 511. Currently we are 391. So how many gains from here if we were to continue to rally? Okay, continue to rally from here, how much? That will give the market cap to about 27.6% of a rally for the total market cap for altcoins alone. Okay, what we can see here, the market have already break towards the upside above the top BB. Look at daily. Daily also uptrend. So altcoins right now, you can see there's a huge bullish momentum coming in from the alts. Again, from the smaller coins, because the total trade is already uptrend. Now you look onto the dominance, Bitcoin dominance, what we are seeing right now for dominance. So dominance, okay, the BTC dominance is uptrend. Okay, the next level to retest is definitely this zone here, the 58.2. Okay, what we are seeing right now is creating at this resistance level, and it's creating a reversal candle here. So you might see a pullback for the dominance, at least to retest on this level here at 51.17. Now, if the dominance were to go down, don't you think the alts will go up? Right? As long as Bitcoin can maintain, sideways or continue up as well, that's where you're going to see alts form. Weekly chart is overall is bullish momentum, might have a short-term pullback, which most likely to be test back on this previous resistance at this level. So the 51.55 to 51.17 could be a short-term pullback for the dominance. Now, when this short-term pullback come in, the alts will most likely could deliver. Okay, most likely to be delivered. And then on the daily side, also is bearish downtrend for the dominance, break below the middle band. Okay, looking on to the H4, also you can see the price also is breaking down. Okay, so good news for the dominance that is down. Looking onto the BTC chart now, you can see here. Okay, for BTC chart, currently the money time frame, what we are seeing now is above the middle band, which is uptrend. Right, we have a nice pullback, break. So the next level we might be seeing is this level here, right, at the 35.4. So it needs to break above 35.4. Next level, you might see this zone here at 38.5. So 35.4, it needs to maintain this level of support and then breaking up at 38.5. Look at weekly. So the weekly time frame, what we are seeing right now, currently the trend is uptrend. You can see momentum buy. So every momentum, there's always a pullback. Okay, there could be a pullback also for Bitcoin because it's been rallying. So this pullback might bring us back here at 30.7. Okay, 30.7 will be a pullback. Looking onto the daily time frame, also you can see there's a nice break towards the upside. Only thing here you can see it's an ascending channel. Okay, so just be careful that if you are planning to buy, it's a bullish flag pattern here. So let's see whether or not can you able to break towards the upside. Breaking up most likely will be 38.5. Okay, so it's either 38.5 or we'll go back down to 30.7 here. Okay, so H4 for hourly is still maintaining very well. It's still maintaining sideways with another extreme sell. So just be careful here. There could be another extreme sell here that's forming. Here we have already one extreme sell. So there could be a pullback coming in from Bitcoin. So nonetheless, maybe we might see another bullish momentum. The 38.5 will be next. Okay. All right, and then move on to Ethereum. So Ethereum chart, what we're seeing here now on the Ethereum chart, price overall is very bullish, still uptrend, maintaining above the middle band. Okay, so your next level for resistance might see this level to be playing here at the 2265. But first thing, it needs to break past this current resistance at around 1935. Okay, breaking around here, the next one will be 2275. Weekly chart, you can see here, price overall on the weekly is doing what? Okay, price doing a W pattern, break, close above the middle band. So we know that the trend is uptrend. Okay, the only thing right now, it needs to break past the top BB. These are the level here to watch. So the top BB will be around 1985. Okay, for Ethereum. So far, overall on Ethereum is bullish. Okay, as long as Bitcoin can maintain sideways and do not pull back, that's where you're going to see also continue to rally again. Okay, so now let's look into the Q&A. How to change phone number at Binance. So what you need to do, you need to log into Binance under setting. Okay, under the security section. Under security section, you can able to find the contact number or your number. So you just need to edit from there. Okay, so what I'll do is, if you still do not know how to do it, I will guide you personally after this session or maybe another day. All right, so we have other things to cover as well. So if you want me to look into the altcoins, feel free to put in the chat box as well, because I have things to look into. So we have this altcoin here. Here you can look at AGIX. So AGIX is also one of the AI narrative, right, in crypto. Okay, Singularity.net, all-time high at 59 cents, currently down about 24 cents. So down by half, 58, 50, 60% down. Okay, so it's currently down. What we are seeing here right now, there's a huge reversal, right? A descending channel, right? A huge descending channel break, right? You can see here, right? Break already. Okay, closing above the middle band. Okay, so right now the top BB next to break. Okay, 26 cents. Looking onto the daily time frame. Daily time frame BB squeeze. Squeezing inside, closing inside. Most likely weekly there could be a sell to buy situation. Okay, might see AGIX to pull back first, at least maybe to 20 cents. Okay, and then on H4, 4 hourly is downtrend. Momentum sell, pull back for the entry sell. So obviously right now this is a sell setup for AGIX. Okay, so it's a sell setup for AGIX. So if you're planning to long, okay, you can able to do this. Take this to low, looking onto the pullback maybe around the 0.786 at 23 cents, or the golden ratio will give you around 22 cents. Okay, so these are the areas to watch for AGIX. Okay. Yeah, like I said, Cardano is a sleeping giant. You see, it did not pump much. Okay. But of course, right now you can see what happened since 16 October. How many? 4 candles, 4 weekly candle, bullish. Okay. Most of the altcoins are actually waking up already. Okay. And look at all-time high is how much? 31 cents to 35 cents. How many times from here? 88% discount. So you're still early. Okay, you're still early. Okay, so this is a time where you want to pay attention on these smaller coins. 39 cents will be the next resistance. Weekly chart you can see also, right? The setup on the weekly. Price also breaking towards the upside, momentum buy. Okay, obviously right now the chart on Cardano is bullish, so you might want to wait for a pullback. So if you're planning to buy Cardano, let's see, taking from this high here to this low. Your pullback will be the golden ratio here, or this level, 32 cents, or the 30 cent level. Okay, it might have a pullback for Cardano. Okay, so that is one. And then, of course, moving into, all right, let's do last one. Let's look at Near Protocol. So Near Protocol also is having an event right now. So Near Protocol, all-time high is how much? The 20.5. And now only 1.45. 20 times from here, if you were to buy. 92% discount. So no-brainer. Yeah, at this low and 94% discount, and you still do not want to go in, then I do not know what to do with you. Okay, so then you need to start planning and to do dollar cost averaging, because you're buying at this rock bottom price, already at this floor price, 1.11. Look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we have a nice break towards the upside with a momentum buy. Now it's having a pullback. So this pullback is where you want to get in, where you want to have a pullback at 1.26 for a retracement. So far, we have seen already a breaking towards the upside for Near Protocol. Okay,